Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Clicks. If you are new here, I'm Augustus Philip, and I'm here to help you with best tips and tutorials on making your digital life easier. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and verify your Geegpay account step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, a remote worker, or just need a reliable way to receive international payments, this video has got you covered. So let's dive right in. And please remember to subscribe to this channel. And you can use your mobile phone to do that. So you just come to Play Store, Google Play Store, and search for Geegpay. I've already installed it in my phone, that's why it's showing install. So on your own, it will show download. After downloading it, you install it. So my own, I will just go straight to open. You download, install it, and you sign up. Start with your phone number. Select your country, Nigeria. Your phone number, you input it. 09. Okay, and your next, they will send you OTP. You get the code and input it. That verified phone number. Enter your email address. Okay, so that's your email address. You submit. An OTP will be sent to your email address, so you just get the code and input it here. So let me get the code. You can read all this and you continue. So all you need to do next is for you to fill all this form and you are good to go. I'll fill mine and I'll get back to you. Okay, so after you fill your personal details, you create your password and you submit, you get to this point. But make sure you create a very strong password. A combination of capital letters, special characters, and numbers will give a very strong password. So I did that behind the screen before those were sensitive information of mine. So I had to do that behind the screen. And before I get here. So you can also do that. The only thing you will need to do is to fill in your personal details and create your password, and you get submit it, then you get to this point. So let's continue. So the next thing you have to do is for you to verify your account. You just have we've done 2 steps, and we have 2 of 3. So the next thing that you have to do is to verify your account. Verification of account has to do with you verify your address. You also verify facial verification is also there. Okay, so let's do this. You tap on verify account to continue. On this page, the question is, what will you like to do with Geegpay? I think you can select all that is applicable here. Receive fund as a creator. Okay, receive fund from marketplace. Okay, get salary. In fact, let me just select all those ones and I will confirm. So personal profile is done. So we have to do address now. Just enter your information as applicable and you tap next. So streets. I just hope that it should go. So you can select the type of document you want to use. I'm using utility bill. Okay, so I can crop that. I'll submit. Okay, at this point you have to verify your document. You can use international passports or national identity card, but I want to use national identity card. I'm a resident of or live in United States. No, you are not, so just choose that. I don't know whether you are. If you are not, just give them the right information. So I'm choosing non-US resident. Okay, at this point we have to do your verification. So we say verify your identity. You have non-document verification and selfie. Tap continue. Input your name. This will be done behind the camera. Is a sensitive information, so I will do that and I will come back. Right. Okay, as you can see, your verification is now under review. So you can go back to home. will notify you once it's completed, so you can go back to home. But it doesn't take too much of time. You can check your email as soon as possible. As soon as it's verified, I will come back to this video. Okay, so hey, you can just refresh this page. Okay, you can see that I refresh and look at everything here. Okay, so here we are. For you to now create your US bank account to receive your money online, you tap on this first one. No account, so we now create it. Okay, so the first one is USD account. See a Nigerian account, Euro account, pounds account. So you can create all of this. Okay, so what we want to create is a US account, so you tap on the first one. Next, okay, we're going to answer this: salary and wages. What is the primary use of this account? To receive payment from online marketplace, example Amazon. Confirm. We select freelance stroke job category. Let's see the one that is best suited. It depends on what you want to do. You're using it for Amazon KDP, so you check the one that is best suited for what you want to use it for, because you can use this to receive money as a freelancer online. Okay, we have writing and content creation. The one that is best suited for this is writing content creation. So briefly describe your job details and your target client. Okay, so just write publishing. Publishing of books. Amazon KDP. And selling them on Amazon. Okay, that should be enough. Employer's name. Okay, we have the Amazon KDP. Freelancing profile website. kdp.amazon.com. Tell us about your connection to the website provided. Okay, I am actively managing the platform. I have a formal relationship with the company that is shown. I am the sole owner of the freelancing profile. My freelancing profile is jointly owned. I am employed by the company that is highlighted on the website, so that's the one we choose. Okay, KDP proof of payments. We've not been paid, so I think this should be optional, but let's just see if to pull through. Expected monthly income. $100 USD for a start. Okay, let me just put 200 for a start. Let's exercise fit here. Let's put 500. Okay, so we'll need this proof of payment. Okay, so proof of payment is actually needed for this form to go through, and you are just applying on Amazon KDP. You've not worked, you've not been paid. So what are you going to do in this case? You can create an account with Amazon, normal Amazon.com. Create account and sign into that account. Then screenshot this picture I'm going to shoot you. This is what I did, because this is picture I'll upload. You see it. If you can see on this account, you see complete your account information to publish a book. That is because I use my information I used to create account on normal Amazon.com. Then I log into kdp.amazon.com and I will see this page. I don't know if you're getting me. So I will screenshot this page, and this is what I'm going to use for this. Okay. So I will come here and upload. And I will save that file. And I will say next. And I will say create account. Success. So you can now view your bank details. Let's see. Okay. So the account has been created and verified. Remember what I said is, with your details that you used to create KDP account, go to amazon.com, create account. Then with that same details, open kdp.amazon.com, log in with that same details, screenshot that page, and come and use it here. It will work. As you can see, it has worked for me, so it will also work for you. Okay, thank you. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you, and God bless.